Welcome to your midday energy boost. If you feel a little bit sluggish or you have that afternoon slump, then this class is perfect for you. It will help to recharge your mind and body. My name is Charlotte. Welcome to Spink Yoga. Let's get started. We'll begin with our energy breathing exercise. This is a really nice breathing exercise to help clear the mind. It unblocks those energy channels. It helps to balance and strengthen the nervous system. And it also brings some clarity and focus within the day. Very easy to learn. As we inhale through the nose, we'll extend the arms up above. Palms of the hands are facing each other. As we exhale through the nose, the elbows will come in, we'll clench the fingers and bring them into a fist. We'll strongly exhale out from the belly. Inhale as we rise and then exhale as we come in. So first, let's take a natural breath in together and a natural breath out. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, in, out, in, out. Pause at the top on that inhale and take a long exhale out. Release the hands, place them on top of the knees, shut the eyes, tap in. Center your awareness within. Sitting up tall within the chair, soften the shoulders. Listen to the echo of the breath. Blink those eyes open. 2 more rounds. Take that inhale deep. And exhale in, out. Take that inhale deep, pause at the top. And a long exhale out, hands on top of the knees, close those eyes. Start to feel the energy moving through the body. Releasing old energy and inviting new. Blink those eyes open one last round. Take that inhale deep, arms up, and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Pause at the top on that inhale. And exhale out, hands placed on top of the knees, close those eyes, soften those shoulders. Feel that fresh blood supply moving through the body, boosting that circulation. Feel the mind clear, bringing it back into the present. Blink those eyes open. And feel that energy moving within the body. We'll stay with this concept of energy coming into our seated sun salutation. So sit to the front of your seat. The feet and knees are hip width apart. Hands together in your mountain pose. Inhale, send the arms to the sky. Hands pressed together. Exhale, bend the elbows into a cactus position. Lean forward. Hands on knees. Keeping with that exhale, release those hands down towards those feet. Let that head dangle. Inhale into half lift. Hands back on the knees. Lengthen the spine, lengthen the neck. Exhale, hands back down. Extend the left arm to the left for a twist. Gaze to the left. Left hand comes down. Extend right arm to the right. Gaze to the right. Right hand comes down. Inhale, lift the head. Hands on top of the knees. Use the leverage of those hands to move you back into your neutral spine. Hands together. Send the arms to the sky on your inhale. Bend the elbows, lean forward. Hands on top of the knees. Exhale, lower down. Inhale into half lift, hands on knees. Exhale, lower back down. Extend the left arm to the left for that twist. Left hand comes down. Extend right arm to the right. Feel that twist. Right hand comes down. Inhale, lift the head. Hands on top of the knees. Use leverage of those hands to push you all the way back into that neutral spine. Hands pressed together. Inhale. Circle the arms up above. Exhale, bend the elbows, lean forward. Hands on top of the knees, keeping with that exhale, lean down. Inhale, hands back onto those knees. Exhale, fold forward. Left arm to the left for the twist. Left hand comes down. Right arm to the right for the twist. Right hand comes down. Inhale, lift the head. Hands on top of the knees. Use the leverage of those hands to move you back into that neutral spine. We'll come into a side lateral stretch. Inhale, arms reach up. Interlace the fingers, turn the palms inside out. Create some length in those elbows. Inhale into spaces, whether it's the chest or the belly. Lean to the right. Keep those sitting bones rooted into the chair beneath. Inhale back to center. Exhale, lean to the left. Breathe into the right side of the body. Inhale back to center. Exhale, lean to the right. Pause here for a few moments this time. Take the left shoulder back, right shoulder forward. And you can just gaze forward or close your eyes and just tap in. Breathe into the left side of the body. Feel that expansion as you breathe in. And take that smooth exhale out. Inhale back to center and exhale over to the left. Pause here. Bring that left shoulder forward, right shoulder slightly back. Keep rooted into those feet, feeling the four corners of the feet, grounding into the surface beneath. Breath into the right side of the body. Inhale back to center and exhale. Release the hands back on top of those knees. We'll come into our seated spinal twist. Right hand on top of that left knee or the side of that left knee. Left hand on the seat behind you or the backrest. Lengthen that spine as you inhale. Soften the shoulders. Exhale, twist over to the left. Gaze over that left shoulder. If you feel that the shoulders are hiking up towards the ears, just soften the shoulder heads down. We'll take a couple of breaths here. Inhale, maybe lengthen the spine a little bit more. And exhale, can you twist a little bit deeper? Inhale, bring the head back to center. Exhale, rotate that spine back into neutral. We'll take that left hand, place it on top of that right knee or the side of that right leg. Take that right hand at the seat behind you or the backrest. Sit up nice and tall. Take an inhale for length and exhale, twist over to the right. Gaze over that right shoulder, soften the shoulders. Inhale for length again. Exhale, twist a little bit deeper. A couple of breaths here. Inhale back to center and exhale, rotate that spine. We'll come into those hip flexes for our seated figure four shape. Left ankle on top of that right knee. Left hand guides that left knee down towards the ground. Sit up nice and tall, lift that chest, soften the shoulders. Inhale here, exhale, hinge forward into the fold. Hold it there. You can tilt the head slightly back, tilt it forward, and just find that middle way, creating some length at the back of that neck. Inhale back to center. And exhale, release that left leg down. We'll take it on the right side, right ankle on top of that left knee. Left hand guides that left knee down towards the ground, feeling a stretch on that inner thigh. Inhale, lift up tall, lift that chest, and exhale, lean into the fold. Take a couple of breaths here. Inhale back to center, and exhale, release that right foot down onto the ground. We'll just take a little bit of a calming breath to close the practice. Shut down those eyes. Place one hand on the belly, then one hand on the chest. Soften those shoulders. Chin parallel to the ground. Create some length at the back of the neck. Take a moment just to pause, to listen to the rhythm of your breath. Feeling that energy within. That fresh new energy that you've just created. Blink those eyes open. Release the hands back onto those knees. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or like or share, and I will see you on the chair soon. Have a great day.